Hello everyone, my name is Jessica, and today I'm going to be drawing my little persona digitally, so that way I can keep her all nice and pristine, just in case I lose the paper ones. I'm not going to be replacing my paper ones. I still want to keep those, but I thought it would be best if I made sure that I had a digital copy of my little paper doll me's, just so that way if anything were to happen to the little paper doll people of myself, then I'd be able to have some PNGs to kind of fall back on, just in case I lose them, or they get damaged, or they get lost, or anything like that. So yeah, that's really all that I'm doing this video. Just a quick update. I'm trying to work on my children's book right now. So videos might become less and less frequently. Oh, hi dog. Hi puppy. Hi. She can't bark anymore, all she does is
Hi, don't sniff in the trash can, please, baby. It's okay, Sam.
But yeah, I'm gonna be working on my children's book, and I'm recording videos and recording my process for drawing the pages and stuff for that, and I hope to be able to create like a series of like, this is how you publish a children's book, and kind of document that kind of series on my YouTube channel. But first I gotta draw the dang book, so these are just gonna be a few videos where I'm drawing just stuff. I like have a doodle dump, and I have a fun little story of a bird that got caught in my house a few months back, and I just drew something fun for that one, and yeah. But yeah, I'm excited for it, and I hope you are too. If you want to know when the children's book publishing series is going to be coming out on my channel, then please go ahead and subscribe and like this video, share it with people, to let people know that, yeah, I'm going to be doing children's book publishing here soon. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye!